Hey, my name's Tracy Bennett. I'm co-owner of Southern Dimensions Group here in Waycross, Georgia. We were founded in 2002. We started out as a company that was buying cargo trailers direct from other manufacturers. 2014, we moved into a 100,000 square foot facility, started manufacturing them direct because we saw a need there. Everything we do here is higher end, a little custom. Nothing here is really cookie cutter, so that's really what we thrive in, and that's our niche market. About 80% of our trailers are all food trailers, and that's what we're known for. We're factory direct, and we build everything under one roof. We do everything from the welding, the painting, the skinning, the electrical, the fabbing, installing equipment. We even do fire suppression under the roof. Gas lines are done here. Everything's done in one place, one facility. My office is the rock's throw away from the weld shop to final finish. So we're always able to put our hands on the product as we talk to you. If you need pictures, we're always able to come out and give you pictures. If you need advice, give you advice. And we can always give you information as we're building the trailer. Not so with other places, whereas they get a cargo trailer built one place, they get it shipped to another, and they have someone else outfit it. Our business model is everything's under one roof, a true factory direct trailer manufacturer.
Hello, I'm C. Blastinger with SDG Trailers. I'm one of the co-owners. If you're in the specialty market for a food trailer, concession trailer, vending trailer, a higher-end cargo trailer, a race-ready trailer, we're the guys you need to talk to. We also have a CAD designer, and we just take it to the next step.
We've done stuff for Guy Fieri, Barbecue Pit Masters. We've done over 70% of their trailers. So if you ever find yourself in need of a custom-built food trailer, custom-built cargo trailer, or anything custom-built dealing with the food trailer or cargo trailer manufacturing, just give us a call. We'd be happy to help any way we can, or we'll answer any questions you have.